Today we are doing slope and similar triangles. Our goal is that we can use similar triangles to find the slope of a line. I love when the board doesn't keep up with us, just like you're here in class. Vocabulary. Similar triangles are triangles that have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. The ratios of the lengths of the corresponding sides are equal. Here are two triangles for our example. What is the ratio of the vertical side to the horizontal side of each triangle? Copy the pictures down and then we'll work through it. So if we're doing the ratio of the vertical side to the horizontal side of each triangle, we're going to do 6 to 2 and 24 to 8. So you should see, since they are similar triangles, that they are also equal. Because if I do 6 times 4, I would get 24, and 2 times 4 would get me 8. So you can see that they are similar. Moving on. Okay, so here we're connecting our similar triangles to slope. Here we can find the ratios of the vertical and the horizontal side of each triangle. So you can see here we have a purple triangle down here. I'm going to just point right here so you can see what I'm talking about. We have a green triangle, and I'll switch colors, right here. And we have a blue triangle up here. Okay, so here we can see our slope is rise 2, run 1. So our slope is 2 to 1. Here we rise 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that can't be right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, 4. And we run 2. And over here, we rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we run 1, 2, 3. So 6 to 3. Okay, so if you look at those, all of those would simplify down to 2 to 1. So again, we can use our slope of our line to see similar triangles. Okay, moving on. We're going to look to find the slope of the line here. We rise 1, run 2. Rise 1, run 2. Rise 1, run 2. So we can see that our slope is 1/2. Okay. Now it says to find 3 similar triangles from this graph and prove that they are similar. So we've got one triangle created there. Okay, and I'm actually going to make it just one now. I'll take out the other 2. Now, hopefully, you guys are drawing these graphs yourselves. You can see we got one there. And you know what? We're going to undo that one. We're going to move it. We'll just move it. We'll just pick it up. And we'll move it here. Okay. And we're going to pick this one up. And we're going to move it. Yeah, I don't like it there. We're not going to like it anywhere because it's going to overlap with all these guys. But we'll move it here. Okay. And then for our final one, our third triangle, we'll put it here. Oops, that's a bad line. Oh well. And we'll put it there. All of them will share a line at some point. But we have our 3 triangles. There you go. So we have our three similar triangles and our final slide. What is the slope of this line? And here's your hint. Slope is the ratio of the rise to run. So, looking at this on your own, first, I hope you guys paused it to find it yourself, that you would find 8 to 6, which you would then simplify to be 4 to 3. So, write two similar triangles to this one. Okay, so now we have to do two similar triangles to this one. So, just use those ratios. You can do, I'm going to cheat, because I can, and I can copy this, because we know I don't ever draw well. And now, if it will let me, almost had it. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down here. So I got that one. Now I'm going to clone it. So bring it over here and I can stretch it. Okay, so in this one, I can shrink it. And we're going to say that, let's cut those in half. And so I could have a 4 and a 3. And since I made this one bigger, let's say we could double it. Let's also make another one of these. Let's clone this one again. Clone it. So we'll take this one over here. And I could do anything that is another increment of those. So let's say this one is, say, 16 and 12. And let's say this one is 24, and I realized I didn't change the size, but you guys get the idea here, I hope. Okay, so that's it. This might be the shortest video I've ever made you all. Hope you enjoyed it, and that's it. See you in class. Of course, as always, write down any questions that you had, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy.